So let's start by creating a simple brine, and I'll need some salt, a piece of ginger, and some rosemary. I'm going the herb way today. I'm going to rub like that so that it can release the flavors. I'll add that into my pot. Then for the ginger, I'm going to try and break it. Like that, just to release the juices. Like that, that should be okay. Then I'm also going to add some salt, and this will ensure that the chicken has some salt and is well seasoned huko ndani ndani. So that should be enough. Then I'll add some hot water. Then I'm going to boil this for about 2 or so minutes. Then I'll come back and show you what to do next. My brine is done, and you can see this is how it looks. So I'm just going to add it in. This is really cold water, so that you can bring down the temperature to low. So this water is already at room temperature, and I'm going to dip my chicken. Then I'm going to let this soak for about 2 to 3 hours. Then we'll be back and I'll show you what to do next. So I'll pop this into the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours and let the magic happen. So this is about 3 hours, and I'm here to make my marinade. As you can see, my chicken has been braining for the last 3 hours. And this looks amazing. So I'm going to rinse this mara moja, then I'll be back to marinate it. Now let's make our marinade, and with me I have my list of the spices and also the vegetables. I'm going to leave the list in the description box, you can check that out. Wow, that tastes amazing. So I'm just going to cut my chicken kidogo kidogo. Then we are going to use this half right now, and the rest we are going to use it sometime later. And you want to massage it to every corner. So I'll return this to the fridge and I'll let it marinate till evening when you're ready to cook it. So this is about 6 hours later, and my oven is currently preheating at 180 degrees. Wow, this looks amazing. So let's start off by grilling our meat first. So once my pan is nice and hot, I'll add in a few ml of cooking oil. Then once that is also hot, I'll go in with my chicken, and I'm going to add the side that has the skin down first. Then after about 2 minutes, I'll add cooking oil on the top side. Then I'll flip it. So after about 2 more minutes on this other side, our chicken is ready to go into the oven. But before then, we had some leftover marinade. I'll switch that off. While this is still hot, I'll add in my remaining marinade. Ile tulibakisha. Then I'm going to grease my cooking tray, and I'll add this in here like that, and you can see this looks beautiful. Then I'll pop this into the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes.